Y'all boys can't see, but the RSX just got sold, man.
You should have just put the flashlight on, bro. Well,
I don't know.
I got a flashlight. You be using. Ah, my
yeah. How that feel?
I freaking.
How that feel, right? Damn, bro. I'm low-key sad. I'm sad, man.
I forgot my address.
So, the RSX just got sold just now.
To the scrap.
Damn, bro. This is gonna be the last footage I get of this motherfucker. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye, daddy. Miss you. What are you driving so fast for, bro?
Cuz, fuck that, bro.
Nah, fuck you. That car was special to me. You know what I'm saying?
It's something, nigga.
It's the only car I've
The next move is an R32, alright?
R32? Where?
R32.
I think that's the only car I've been like done
I never sell, bro. I never sell. It's just a legend. I sell the R35 before R32.
Yeah, I would too. I'd get more money for the R35. What? Holy shit! That was fucking.
Yeah, you gotta respect
So
the line, my
yourself?
nigga.
Xavier. They call me Zay. Best driver they know.
Alright, shut the fuck up. So this is a Tegio. We just copped it. GSR shell. This shit is like, it's a beater, as you can see. GSR beater, but pop the hood. They're not gonna expect this shit. So this is the first cop since I moved to Florida, you feel me? Ah!
Is that a B20?
It's not a B20.
B20
Yes.
B?
It is a B20, but we got some goodies on this bitch, man. You know what I'm saying?
B16 LSD trans.
Carbon synchros.
Yes.
Skunk tooth throttle body. I don't know what kind of intake that is. Full bolt-ons all the way back, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
What kind of NVIDIA exhaust? That's what he said?
Is it?
I don't know. I have to check the listing again.
Fuck.
Some shit exhaust. I don't know.
Honda ECU.
Yeah, Honda S300, right?
Yes, sir.
We got this car for pretty cheap, so we're not complaining. NRG steering wheel. It's quick release?
I believe so.
Ain't no way, cuz. Ain't no way, cuz.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ain't no way, cuz. Did he even say that shit in the listing?
I don't think so. Just NRG.
That's a fucking flex.
Look at this man with the
I look
steering wheel on
homeless
his
as
head.
fuck, but yo, that's a flex, my nigga.
Facts. Got the gauges. Race car. It's decent. Nice little. This is a nice little first shit. You feel me? Hey, no cap. That's a fucking. What do they call it?
Thumbnail?
Yeah.
It's like. That's how the movies be.
Facts.
Alright, let's get on the road.
We out. This is the go-getter mobile.
The go-getter. Betsy, man.
Betsy, the girl them sex me.
Alright, this is her, boys, in the morning. Clean. Now I'm playing this shit look chopped cheese as fuck, but you get the deal. So it's gonna be a little project we're working on. Just for now, nothing crazy. Let me show you the main project. Oh yeah, we out here tonight for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, that R6 got dusted. Yo.
I'm beating that fucking 8 Series nigga, bro.
Yo, that nigga is unstoppable right now,
he's
bro.
not. No, he's
Bro, he
not.
killed your friend, then he killed
no,
that.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Fuck it, yo. When we case spot the Civic, my nigga, they getting done up. Yo, that 812 EK is crazy. What the fuck you just dropped, bro?
I drop some shit, dog.
Drop the whole handle.
Chill. Just wait right here.
Tell the viewers what we doing today.
Changing the door handle is pretty much because it's just as fuck. Out with the old, in with the, yeah.
Or almost new.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, boys. That's gonna end there. And boom, what's next? We about to install this racing seat on the right side too. These are some like NRG seats, ain't nothing crazy. Yo, walk that nigga, cuz. Yo, this bitch not that slouchy, man. Word?
How big? They
I'm
big?
trying to record it, but I can't record and drive.
Yeah, true that, true that. Damn.
I'm shooting. So I shot them when I two-step?
Yeah.
Huh?
BSO just went straight.
Yeah, I just seen that nigga right there. That's crazy as hell, though.
You can take off slow as fuck.
Damn, why you slow down, bro? You reel it back in. Oh, shit.